If you're looking to nurture leads and grow your business, Mailchimp can be an incredibly powerful tool to help you build relationships, stay top of mind, and eventually turn prospects into loyal customers. Today, we're going to walk you through exactly how to use Mailchimp for nurturing leads, so stick around because we've got a few pro tips and a special bonus just for you. First off, Mailchimp is great for automating email marketing campaigns, and when it comes to nurturing leads, automation is key. You can start by setting up an email sequence that automatically sends out a series of emails over a period of time. This is an easy way to build trust and provide value to your audience without having to manually follow up each time. Next thing, use Mailchimp's segmentation tools. Instead of sending generic emails to everyone on your list, segment your audience based on criteria like location, interests, or engagement level. For example, if a lead has shown interest in a particular product or service, you can send them specific content tailored to their needs. This helps nurture leads by giving them relevant information that resonates with them. The third thing you want to do is set up automated workflows for different lead stages. In Mailchimp, you can create workflows that automatically trigger based on a lead's actions. For example, if someone downloads a free guide, you can automatically send them a follow-up email with related content. If someone makes a purchase, you can send them an email with cross-sell or upsell offers. These workflows save you time and ensure that your leads are always receiving the right communication at the right time. Next up, you need to keep an eye on your metrics. With Mailchimp, you can track email open rates, click rates, and overall engagement. This data is crucial for adjusting your campaigns and optimizing your lead nurturing strategy. If certain emails aren't performing as well, you can tweak the subject line or content to improve your results. Analytics are your best friend in nurturing leads effectively. The fifth thing is personalization. Mailchimp allows you to personalize your emails, whether it's adding the lead's name in the subject line or sending them product recommendations based on past behavior. Personalization makes the emails feel more tailored to the recipient, which increases the likelihood that they'll take action. Finally, don't forget about the power of consistency. With Mailchimp's scheduling feature, you can plan your emails ahead of time and ensure they're sent consistently. It's essential to stay engaged with your leads and nurture those relationships over time, but you don't have to do all the heavy lifting yourself. Now, before we wrap up, I want to remind you that you can use Mailchimp for free, and if you sign up through the first link below, you'll get exclusive access to bonuses that'll help you make the most of the software. This free trial gives you everything you need to start nurturing your leads and growing your business. So there you have it. By using Mailchimp's automation, segmentation, workflows, analytics, and personalization features, you'll be well on your way to nurturing leads like a pro. And remember, don't miss out on the extended free trial linked below. Thanks for watching.